we are departing Shanghai and going to Bangkok, and after that tomorrow Siem Reap kami sa Cambodia. We just arrived here in Domeng in Bangkok. So layover tayo 9 hours, and tomorrow 10 o'clock going to Siem Reap. So touchdown kami sa Siem Reap. Nandito na kami sa Cambodia. So from Thailand sa Bangkok to here, isang oras lang ang biyahe natin. So dito tayo sumakay ngayon sa airport shuttle bus going to Siem Reap. Ang cost nito per person is $8. Pero kung magbubook kayo dito ng mga airport taxi or yung mga Grab, like for that, cost nyan is nasa around $20. Sa airport taxi naman, $25 each person. Well, dito sa bus, babayaran mo lang is $8. Ayan siya. One way.
Nạp chặt. Ô, sao ta nạp chặt được mini ở đó là mơ rồi.
Won't you sing out your frustration? Just say a word. Keep on staring at the pavement. God knows who hurt. Ooh, your mind is a ghost town, echoing inside your walls. 5 feet underground now. Nothing's gonna save us from our doubts. Nothing's gonna make us spell it out. I don't wanna be the one who said, oh, I told you so. And even if the sky was falling down, you never noticed anyone around. I don't wanna be the one who said, oh, I told you so. But I told you so.
By the way, ito yung airport bus terminal. Medyo malayo pa yung hotel namin. So magtutukto kami. Ito si Ruth sumasakay na. So $1 ang pamasahe rito. It's 4,000 real, right?
Yeah, 4,000 there, $1. Welcome to Siem Reap Angkor Wat. So Ini the bus stop is close to the downtown.
So first time namin actually masubukan ng tuktok.
Sa Cambodia.
Dito naman may Angkor Mini Mart. Doon may Angkor Mini Mart. Walang ano ha, wala sila traffic lights dito. Oh yeah, walking distance. Oh, ayun pala, ayun sila. We're going for iba yung vibes ng ano. Maganda pala yung Siem Reap, ano, medyo iba ang vibes niya. Madami din siyang mga restaurant, coffee shop. Nasa city center actually tayo. Siem Reap. So ito yung hotel namin, 2 nights. So maganda yung hotel namin kasi paglabas mo, andito na lahat yung mga kainan. And pagdating doon yung market doon sa dulo.
Keep on acting out like strangers. Scream out loud. I will go if nothing changes.
So ito yung order namin. First lunch namin sa Siem Reap, Cambodia. So yung traditional food ng Cambodian, chicken amok, and ito yung vegetable roll nila, including na yung white rice, and ako yung order lang ako na simple as chicken fried rice. Ha? Lalakad tayo dito ngayon sa kabahaan ng Pub Street. Mamayang gabi, idadaan ko kayo ulit dito. Makikita ninyo kung gaano kaganda rito sa gabi. I don't know, red light district, I don't know. But Pub Street, ito ang tawag dito. So nakakita si Rot ng travel agency. Let's see how much it will gonna cost. $20, $13, madami dito. Actually, a cobra? Woo! Cobra, it's a $25 a bottle. First day in Siem Reap, umulan. Napakalakas, eh. Grabe, lakas ng ulan. Ayan si Ruth. Start. Hi. Ano? Isang building na lang. Nasa hotel na kami. Naabot tuloy kami. Dito kami nakisilong. Dito kami nakasilong sa pub. Ang ganda-ganda ng pub dito. Diyan kayo guys kumain dyan sa Emertace Restaurant. Recommended ko yan, masarap. Saka mura pa.
Traditional.
Batang basa sila oh. Tignan natin kung maganda ang
Ayan, check mo.
dito ngayon tayo sa Pop Street. Siem Reap again here in the Riverside Market. Yan, okay. So, ito may mga palda sa'yo. Maganda talaga
Sa
yun.
loob, dark pala.
Madami pa sa loob eh, no? Pero,
Eh,
may Pilipino ron. So, dito, Riverside Market again. Still. Ito tayo sa kabilang side na. Yan. So,
kainan.
night market din pala ito. Mahog meron. Okay. And this one is 50 cents. Okay. What you recommend here? This one? What came with this Cambodian red curry? Okay, ito yung anong tawag rito?
Lokla.
Yeah, okay, ito yung chicken loklak, Cambodian food. And ito sa akin yung chicken flavor sa with rice, nilagay nila sa pineapple. Yan, and yung beer nila na Angkor, made from Cambodia. This one. So, kain tayo. And then spring roll.
Yun yung papaya salad na sinasabi ko. Hintay ko yung bukod ko.
Ito ang first dinner namin. And titikman natin yung food, Cambodian food.
Napple fry. Spring roll.